In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get satellite view on Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch from the standard map to high detail satellite imagery so you can explore rooftops, coastlines, parks, and landmarks from above with just a click. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to google.com/maps. You can type that directly into the address bar and hit enter. When Google Maps loads, you'll see the familiar default map with roads, labels, and places. If you want to focus on a specific location, you can type an address or place name into the search bar at the top and press enter. This isn't required, but it helps center the map on the area you care about before switching views. Now let's turn on the satellite layer. Look toward the bottom left of the map. You should see a small square preview labeled Satellite Light. Click it once. As soon as you do, the base map will switch to aerial imagery. Give it a moment to load. On a fast connection, tiles appear almost instantly, and on slower connections, you may see a brief blur as higher resolution images stream in. Once the satellite view is on, you can navigate the map just like you normally would. Drag to pan around, use your mouse wheel or the on-screen plus and minus buttons to zoom, and watch how the detail improves the closer you get. You'll notice features like building outlines, fields, rivers, and mountain textures that aren't visible on the default map. This makes satellite view especially useful for visual planning, verifying landmarks, or getting a real-world sense of the terrain before you travel. If you ever want to switch back to the standard map, simply click the same area again where satellite was toggled. The change is immediate, so you can go back and forth as needed while you compare details. If you don't immediately see the satellite button, try maximizing your browser window or reducing your page zoom so the bottom left controls have room to appear. A quick tip on performance: satellite imagery is more data intensive than the default map. If your connection is limited, give the map a few seconds to sharpen fully after each move or zoom. Also, for the best clarity, keep the browser window reasonably large so the map has enough space to display high-resolution tiles. That's all there is to it. Go to google.com/maps, then click satellite at the bottom left. With those two actions, you unlock a detailed aerial view that makes exploring and planning far more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the world from above.